What if I told you? Samsung's next flagship isn't just another smartphone, it's a declaration of war. The Galaxy S26 series is shaping up to be one of the most talked about launches of 2026. And now, it's official. The Galaxy S26 Pro will be powered by Samsung's all-new Exynos 2600 chip. But that's just the surface. Behind the scenes, Samsung's making huge bets, from AI-driven performance and next-level cameras, to a color controversy that's got Apple fans fired up. This is more than a phone. It's Samsung's most ambitious step yet, and maybe their riskiest. Welcome back to Touch Trove, your home for the latest leaks, rumors, and deep dives into the world of tech. Today, we're unpacking everything you need to know, and a few things Samsung doesn't want you to know, about the upcoming Galaxy S26 series. Exynos 2600, Samsung's big gamble, so let's start with the core, the Exynos 2600. Yes, it's confirmed, the S26 Pro is going all in with Samsung's next-gen silicon. And early reports say this chip is already in testing and performing way better than expected. Built on Samsung's cutting-edge 2nm process, this chip isn't just efficient, it's a power monster. We're talking a 10-core CPU with brand new ARM C1 architecture and a GPU built on AMD's RDNA platform, called the Exynos 950. That's not marketing fluff. This is real competition for Qualcomm and Apple, and Samsung is betting everything on it. According to insider leaks, the Exynos 2600 might even beat the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and Apple's A19 Pro in certain AI-heavy tasks. That's massive. But here's where it gets interesting. Samsung isn't going all in globally. In the US and China, buyers will still get the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the powerhouse from Qualcomm. Everywhere else, Exynos takes the stage. This means we'll get to see a real-world battle. Exynos versus Snapdragon, Samsung versus Qualcomm, same phone, different hearts. AI revolution, smarter than ever before, but let's be real. In 2026, raw power isn't everything. The real war is about AI. And this time, Samsung isn't just catching up, it's leading. The Exynos 2600 introduces Agentic AI, a next-gen feature that changes how your phone learns and responds. Think of it as having a personal assistant inside your phone that actually understands context. You'll be able to say things like, edit my latest video, post it to YouTube, and reply to the top comments, and your phone will just do it. No cloud, no delay, no privacy concerns. It's all on-device AI, working faster, safer, and more personal than ever before. Samsung calls it Galaxy AI Next, and from what's leaked, it's deeply integrated into the camera, gallery, messages, and even Samsung Notes. Meanwhile, Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is also pushing AI hard. At their recent Snapdragon Summit, they showed a demo where smart glasses captured a concert video and synced it instantly to a phone, powered by on-device AI. We're entering a future where phones don't just respond, they think. Video power. Snapdragon's secret weapon. If you're a creator, this next part is for you. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is introducing a brand new Advanced Professional Video Codec, APV, in plain English? It means near lossless video that rivals professional cameras without massive file sizes. Apple's been bragging about ProRes RAW for years, but Qualcomm just fired back hard, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be one of the first phones in the world to support it. Imagine shooting cinematic quality footage, color grading it right on your phone, and uploading directly to YouTube, all in minutes. That's the kind of workflow creators have been dreaming of. It's not just about megapixels anymore. It's about who gives creators the best tools. And in 2026, Samsung might finally pull ahead. The orange controversy. Apple versus Samsung. Again. Okay. Let's talk about the thing no one expected. The orange Galaxy S26 Ultra. Yes, bright orange. And social media lost it. Fans immediately started accusing Samsung of copying Apple's cosmic orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. But here's the truth. Samsung's been doing orange long before Apple made it trendy. Remember the Galaxy S24 Ultra Titanium Orange? Yeah, it existed. So while the color may feel inspired, it's not exactly a copy. Still, the timing feels a little too convenient. The debate's hilarious, but also kind of genius. Because whether you love it or hate it, everyone's talking about it. And in marketing, that's a win. But personally, Samsung doesn't need to play Apple's color game. Their signature tones, like ice blue, red, and graphite titanium, have their own identity. If Samsung really wants to stand out, maybe skip orange and go for something bold, like lunar mint or electric crimson. Battery battle, same size, different story now. Let's address the one thing that always matters: battery life. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to pack the same 5,000 mAh battery Samsung's been using since the S20 Ultra, 6 years straight. And that's fine, but not impressive, because here's the plot twist. Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max finally crossed the $5,000 MAH mark, and thanks to Apple's legendary optimization, it's already outperforming Samsung in endurance tests. That's a serious problem. Samsung's massive displays, high refresh rates, and AI features eat up battery fast. So unless Samsung upgrades their battery chemistry or charging speed, Apple might keep the crown in real-world usage. Most analysts believe the real battery revolution will come with the Galaxy S27 Ultra in 2027, using stacked cell batteries, the same tech found in EVs. Camera upgrade, the fix we've been waiting for finally. The camera, because this might be the upgrade fans have been begging for since the S21 Ultra. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will get a new 50MP 5x telephoto camera with a wider f2.9 aperture, up from f3.4 on the S25 Ultra. That change sounds small, but it's huge for real-world photography. It means more light, better low-light shots, richer details, and less noise. No more blurry indoor zooms. No more crushed shadows. Just cleaner, brighter, more natural images, compared to its rivals. Vivo X200 Pro f2.7, Xiaomi 15 Ultra f2.6, Pixel 10 Pro f2.8. Samsung's been lagging behind. But this time, it looks like they're finally catching up, maybe even surpassing them. If this camera tuning works as promised, the S26 Ultra could once again become the best zoom camera phone on the planet. Early leaks reveal a redesigned 5x camera with a wider aperture for brighter, sharper, low-light photos. And yes, a new orange edition that's already stirring controversy online. But here's the real game changer. Samsung's 2nm Exynos chip is built for pure AI dominance, giving you pro-level video recording, smarter battery use, and faster multitasking than ever before. The S26 Ultra isn't just another upgrade, it's a statement. Samsung's message to Apple is clear: the future of AI smartphones starts right here. Final thoughts, the road ahead. Where does all this leave us? From the Exynos 2600's raw power, to on-device AI that actually learns from you, to pro-level video tools and refined camera optics, Samsung isn't just updating specs, they're redefining what an Android flagship can be. But the question remains, can the Galaxy S26 Ultra finally outshine Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max? Or will Apple's efficiency, optimization, and brand power still keep it one step ahead? Either way, 2026 is going to be one massive year for Android fans. And Samsung? They're ready to make history again.